I'm going off on one. What? So that come out all in one at the.
I'm really looking forward to seeing everybody back on campus.
I mean, when they're here, the college has got a tremendous buzz. It's full of activity. There's tremendous things going on.
I think we've done a great job of supporting them over the last year.
We feel it can be more practically based.
It'll be a really good chance for everybody to have a clean slate and start fresh.
Build a better bond with not only my friends and staff in college but also the tutors.
We've made a real effort to ensure that they can carry on learning the practical skills that are essential for the course and the classroom skills that they need to get the qualification.
If we've been able to cope with everything so far, we should be able to cope with what's to come.
And I just can't wait to help staff and students face to face again.
Is that all right?
Yeah, good. That's it. Awesome. Here we are.